got me so messed up. The signs we've had enough of the whole damn thing. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to say?
Oh, let's take a look at the drum gun shotgun, which I think is going to be so overpowered. So check it out. As you guys can see, this was actually leaked from the actual Fortnite website. It says drum gun available in uncommon, rare, and epic variants, available with chest and vending machines, fully automatic, 12-round magazine, deals 74, 76, and 78 damage. Then the headshot damage is right below that. This weapon has a tight spread in close quarters, but is less effective at long range when compared to other shotguns such as like the combat shotgun. And from those statistics, that looks pretty insane. So that is obviously all of the information we know as of how the drum gun shotgun is going to work. Now let's take a look at what it's going to be like in the match. So check out this clip.
Fall into natural cover. Nice. I'll watch from below, pick up some mats. People behind us right now,
That was a headshot too, by the way.
Wait,
and land on the launch pad.
That was the heavy.
That was the heavy.
What's all this for? It's got me turned around, but I can't ignore the feelings that I found in this whole damn thing that we got going. You hold the strings without me knowing. Why do I have to suffer through the thinking? Why do I have the feeling that we're